Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm just going to give you a very quick garden update. We planted a lot of stuff together last week and I just want to show you the progress it's made since then. So let's go. I have delicious, juicy sugar snap peas growing everywhere. That's exciting. Everything over here is doing really well. The sprinklers have finally been set up, so everything's getting watered. Our berries are doing great. We've got blueberries coming on, tons of gooseberries and a weed. Raspberries starting to get their color. The red currant berries are starting to get their color. Strawberries and asparagus are looking nice and tall, and I have some strawberries there. The onions are doing great. Our tomatillos are starting to flower out. Got green onions here. Oh, we have a little rabbit friend. Missing some stuff because of squirrels. I have flowers starting. My nasturtium in the middle. Oh, and some on the sides are starting. Some squirrel damage on my flowers here. My yard-long beans have sprouted. Oh my gosh, everything over here has sprouted. Look at all these beautiful flowers. Looking good. My husband moved my lemon and lime trees out here for me. There's my laurel tree, my fig tree, more yard-long beans, pumpkins on a stick, horseradish. My rhubarb is giant. Ground cherries. My peppers are looking a little sad. I hope that they kind of get a little healthier looking. Look at this cute little rabbit right here over by my garlic. I have tomatoes that are looking nice and healthy. Growing nice and big. Over here I have my brassicas, my marigolds, and my squash. Look at all my squash. Different kinds of squash are sprouting. My cucumbers have all sprouted. I've got snapdragons in the front buckets. And then I have different types of pumpkins in the back. And oh, I even have some melons sprouting in the front. That's exciting. So melons and pumpkins over here. Yeah, it's looking good, guys. We might actually grow some things. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.